Today I will cover everything you will need to know about uploading images into Midjourney. If the image is on the internet, then it's easiest if you save it to your device first. Once saved, go to Midjourney in Discord, click the plus, then upload, and then select the image you would like to use and hit enter. Once the image is loaded into Discord, right-click the image and select copy link. Now that you have the image link, paste it into the imagined prompt, then add your desired text prompts and you're ready to go. If you want the AI to adjust the weighted balance between the uploaded image and text, you can adjust this by entering --IW and a number for the image weight at the end of the prompt. The higher the number, the closer your result will be to the uploaded image. The default image weight is 0.25, and with a weight of 1, the image will be equally as important as the text. You can also use negative weight balances, so play around with these and see what you come up with. The first prompt has an image weight of 2, and as you can see it is closer to the uploaded image than the text saying fire. The second prompt only has an image weight of 0.5, and with this one you can see how the AI utilized the text saying fire more than the uploaded image. Thank you for listening and stay tuned for more Midjourney AI tutorials.